It's a question about skin cancer. So what causes skin cancer and how to prevent them? Interestingly, well, there may be some evidence that sunlight exposure promotes the growth of the sort of benign kind of skin cancers. The melanoma has no connection with sunlight exposure. Basically, when you're thinking about moles or skin cancer, there's two groups. There's melanoma, which can kill people and is deadly, and then there's all the rest, which usually don't spread anywhere else. So they only have a local effect. And I think the real explanation is that the health of the skin is a complex interaction between our nutritional / water status, in other words, that's the receiver, interacting with the sunlight. And if you're interacting with the sunlight without either proper adaptation, which is essentially why we tan, so our skin adapts to increasing amounts of sunlight, which is good, or we have nutritional deficiencies, and therefore the sun, which should be one of our most important nutrients, and without which we can't live, and without which we can't be healthy, but we need to accept that by having enough particularly fat-soluble vitamins and properly organized water. If the receiver part is not healthy, either because you don't have enough fat-soluble vitamins, or your nutritional status is low, or your water is not organized properly, then the sunlight could act as a toxin and create these sort of benign growths. It has nothing to do with melanoma. So it's not a problem of the sunlight, it's a problem that you're starved or poisoned. And it could be also to do with that it could be some toxin or some poisoning effect that's interfering with your ability to structure the water in your tissues properly. And so the tissues can't accept the nourishment, the light from the sun, the wavelengths. And so it essentially causes a destructive effect instead of its nourishing effect. And we see those as growths, basically an area that's been burned.